Hey guys, so I am working at the off-grid cabin today, kind of using it as an office to do some video editing. And while I'm here, I needed my Starlink running on the truck. I've got the Starlink Mini is mounted with a magnet right here on the hood. And typically I just have that plugged into the cigarette lighter. But I'm here at the site and naturally the truck is off. So I'm just going to show you. I got the cable running out here and we are using this EBL or EB300 made by EBL. Okay, we got quite a bit of cloud cover right now, so not getting the highest solar production, but we've already come up 4% while we're putting out 17 to 20 watts running the Starlink, and we're bringing in 24 watts with this DF Power folding solar panel that they sent out for me to test. It is a bifacial panel, so I have not seen a folding bifacial panel before, but it folds up neat enough and small enough that I'm able to keep it in the truck, right in the back seat. And they sent a power cord adapter. So it's got several different adapters. I recognize some of these. This is a power pole connector. This one here is what we use on the Blue Eddy, most common. And then we've got even more adapters here. So it plugged right into the EB300 by EBL and is allowing me to be able to run the off-grid office with the Starlink Mini. And that is the whole point. So stay tuned if you like seeing things like this or you want information. There'll be product links down below for both of these. This panel certainly has put out more power. It's pretty thick cloud cover right now, pretty overcast. I've seen the panel come up to 52 watts so far, so not terrible, especially for the size of it and being what it is, and the fact that it's a folding panel. A lot of times they're not the most efficient anyways, but yeah, it's a solution to a problem, and that's what we're after. All right, folks, Mountain Wizard out. See ya.